Hou hom flat out.
Plat, ja.
Hoe was dit, Lut?
Nee, was lekker.
Alles reg met die kar?
Ja, ek dink dit is die eerste keer in die hele jaar wat al my panels heel is.
En hoe voel dit? Ons die officials moet nog official, maar binne-in moet dit lekker voel.
Nee, ons het ek dink ons het 'n vierde wegtrek. En ons het Wilrock verbygegaan. Hy was eerste. So ons het oor die 4 minute ingery. Nee, wat daar's nie eers 'n kans nie.
Ons 'n paar biere vanaand, né?
Hele paar ja.
Wel gedaan. Cheers. Adrian.
Yeah.
Quickly.
Yeah.
How lekker is that feel?
Yeah. Fuck. Look, it wasn't. We were a bit scared after the previous race that we're gonna have a tough battle today. And then I said to Lut, let's just go balls to the wall today. And yeah, it's a fantastic feeling, eh?
You guys came out early in the year, you dominated, had a bit of a glitches in the middle, but it's how you finish it counts.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, I think we've won now 6 of the 7, or 5 of the 7. I can't remember. Yeah, but anyway, fantastic. It's how you finish in the end. Yeah, we never back down. Yeah.
Going to be a bit of a party tonight.
Oh, probably, eh? Yeah.
Well done.
Thanks, Colin.
Julle het dit gemaak.
Baie lekker. Ek wil net sê 'n baie dankie vir Louises. Dit was so 'n bietjie ding is maar moeilik, maar ja, dit was baie lekker.
En as net betyds die reën kom.
Net so ja, nee wat hy moet nou maar ding is maar reën.
Maak reën met die champagne.
Dames en heren, dan moet ons weer vra om daai champagne daar na julle regterkant toe te skuif.
Jan, hoe lekker is dit?
Nee, it's lekker. Het was 'n lekker jaar so nee, ek bly ons is nou klaar.
Jy was vanoggend toe ons met jou gepraat het, was jy baie tens en stil, maar daai glimlag is nou daar.
Ja, wat altyd voor 'n reis is 'n man ernstig, maar so na die tyd dan geniet ons dit. So nee, dit was baie lekker geweest.
Dankie dat jy altyd met ons praat en alles van die beste.
Dankie
Ons
vir die
sien jou
seisoen.
volgende jaar.
Definitief.
First time I've seen that happen, Hannes. You had a tough day today.
No, not at all. It was a very nice route, very, very good. We just had a puncture early on, first loop puncture. Not managed to get the jack out, battled a bit to change the wheel, so lost a lot of time there. And from there it was smooth sailing, just couldn't make up the time again.
Champagne tastes sweet.
It does.
Lekker. Now, can you go so we can get to the rest of the Oaks? Thanks. Hoe lekker is dit, Tjie?
Nee, baie lekker. Nee, ons is net bly ons kon klaar gemaak het vandag. Dit was maar moeilik geweest, maar ons is daarom klaar by huis.
En nou moet ons sien as die officials moet klaar official en dan sal ons sien waar's in die kampioenskap later tyd.
Ja, nee, verseker.
Lekker, dankie vir al die entertainment.
Ja, daar's dankie.
Cheers. Man, James, it looks like you finished just in time. The heavens are starting to open.
At the end of the first loop, for about 10 Ks, was hopeless in this first loop. Then luckily it stopped raining. The second loop just started when we literally at the finish line. Lucky, because then you can't see a thing. It's hopeless, even with a rag constantly going.
And you slip sliding away as well.
Yeah, absolutely. And this turf is what they call turf here. It breaks through the grass and yeah.
How much did you enjoy this race on a scale of 1 to 10?
Oh, 10. Yeah, nice race. Yeah, nice race. Well, 1 if it had been raining.
James, thank you for all the entertainment during the year.
No problem.
We'll see you next year.
Yeah, thanks, Colin.
Well done.
Thanks for everything. Great
Cheers.
one. Cheers, Colin.
Hy sê moenie en dan doen hy.
Ja, nee, hy's 'n
Kom Nielen.
klein wette.
Hoe was dit vir julle?
Nee, lekker. Ons het dit baie geniet. Ek en Nielen sê dit was een van ons lekkerste reise wat ons gehad het. Nie uit die kar uit geklim nie, so dit's regtig lekker.
Maar hoekom is al die body panels nog op die kar?
Nee, dat was gelukkig toen nie so baie bome gewees nie. Maar ja, baie nice gereis, baie nice reis.
Het jy dit geniet?
Ja, baie, ongelooflik baie.
Ons sien jou volgende jaar weer.
Ja, verseker.
Lekker. Dankie manne. Goed gaan hoor.
Dankie.
Thanks. Is dit die revenge? Eugene? Eugene, die reën, was nie jou dag nie, né?
Ja, het was nie regtig ons dag nie, maar ons het tog lekker gereis, so is fyn.
Maar om die einde van die jaar te kom, 'n bietjie champagne, 'n bietjie van te hê is lekker.
Nee, het was lekker. Het was nog steeds 'n baie lekker baan geweest. So ons het klaar gemaak en dis al wat ons gemaak.
Maar nou vir volgende jaar. Soos Pinky in die brein sê, ons gaan nou prepare om die wêreld te oorneem volgende jaar, né?
Ja, dis 100% reg.
Maklik.
Lekker en 'n paar biere vanaand en dan begin dit alweer.
Ja, net so.
Dominic, hoe lekker is dit?
Baie lekker.
Kom sien.
Ons is papnat.
Maar dit was lekker.
Baie lekker.
En nou moet ons wag vir die officials om klaar te maak vir wie gaan waar in die kampioenskappe.
Ja,
En hoe sou in die begin van die jaar gedink het dat
glad nie daaraan gedink nie. Dit is genuine baie lekker geweest. 'n Lekker jaar geweest.
en ma en seun.
Ja,
Dis nou
dis die
beter.
beste van alles.
Alles van die beste. Baie
Baie
dankie dat jy
dankie.
altyd met ons praat het. Congratulations.
Dankie.
Cheers.
Baie dankie.
Teens, hoe lekker is dit?
Baie nice, baie lekker.
Nuwe kar vir jou en om by die einde te kom, het die reën jou gepla?
Ja, glad nie. Op die einde 'n bietjie glad. Hier op die einde was dit nou nat, so in die draai gly ons 'n bietjie. Maar glad nie, was lekker koel vandag. Goed gegaan, bakkie niks geen worries nie. Niks, baie lekker, baie impressed.
James O'Mahony, jy het gesê jy's 'n bietjie gebreek.
Yeah, it's a bit sore. Different car, different terrain. But yeah, it was lovely. It was great fun. First time racing in the rain. So yeah, it's pretty different. Taking corners and the car's not going anywhere. So it was pretty fun. Pretty fun.
And I guess a couple of beers tonight and it's going to be fun.
Definitely.
Thank you for always talking to us through the year and the entertainment and just adding just some spice and life to the field. Next year, that's a different story. No. I've managed to miss it the whole day today. How cool is that? It's not a wanker, the two Class D cars together.
Can you believe it?
You guys have, next to the car, always next to the car, you guys have brought a lot of joy to me, to people who are watching, the fun with this car and the way you just keep on going. It's brilliant.
Yeah, and I think this thing is much more durable than what you would imagine, the car.
Yeah.
Not me.
And the driver.
No.
And the Now, tell me the story about the grill.
What happened, we were about a quarter, it's 75 k's into the first loop, second loop. So then we saw that the car was starting to overheat, and we blow the motor. So we thought, okay, no, this time we're not going to blow anything. We're going to stop. We're going to check everything, check if there's enough water, do everything, and then we realized the grill is causing the heat. So
Also, there's a bunch of grass in the grill.
How is there grass in the grill? Only way you get grass in the grill is when you drive through the grass.
Oh no,
inside the radiator. So it's not on the grill, it's just in the radiator. So yeah,
the intercooler, there's grass.
Then from there we did it.
How lekker does it feel to get to the end? The weather is about to start raining big.
Today was a lekker day.
What a season, eh?
Yeah, what a season. Ups and downs, but we.
And looks like you guys win the class. The
Yeah.
officials still need to do their thing.
It looks like it.
Huge congratulations
Thank you.
for the Not a Wanker team.
Here you go. You see, Montero.
Thank you, guys. Thanks for everything, guys. Cheers. Well done.
Jy's goed groot gemaak.
Liesel, hoe lekker is dit?
Slippery when wet. Ja, ons het geslip en slide. Die kar het warm geword. Ons het eintlik maar ons het dit gemaak. Ons is klaar.
En julle het begin
Harde
vanoggend
werk vir die hele jaar.
met lekker skoon overalls en nou is hulle hier.
Jeez, like. Maar dit was awesome. Dit was
moeite
awesome. Ja, nee.
En as jy terugdink vir die jaar, wat sal julle sê? Oor die jaar.
Kan ek een woord sê?
Ja.
Awesome.
En nou
Ek het dit so baie van gehad, né?
Nee? Dit was awesome.
Ja, kan maar een nou.
lekker.
Ons het soveel van gehad.
En nou vir volgende jaar.
Volgende jaar is ons low lay bietjie. Ek kry operasies ook vir 6 maande uit nou, op die oomblik. Maar die jaar daarna gaan ons terugkom.
So hierdie is 'n bietjie bittersweet. Jy
Ja.
begin op 'n hoog, jy begin einde op 'n hoog, dan check jy uit en dan kom jy terug volgende jaar.
Ja.
Die
Die jare op, ja.
Volgende.
Ja, volgende jaar gaan baie sad wees om die mense te sien ry, maar dis maar so.
Maar
Ja.
jy moet ons kom in die
Ek is seker die manne gaan kom ry. Ons sal hulle kom cheer, moenie worry nie.
Lekker. Lawrence, jy en Johan het 'n bietjie van 'n moeilike oggend, die begin van die reis was 'n bietjie moeilik vir julle. Kom ons gaan staan voor die kar. Was 'n bietjie moeilik, maar nou laat julle hier is. Hoe lekker is dit?
Dit was baie lekker. Ons het die baan geniet. Ons het 'n bietjie gegly die laaste ruk. Papwiel gekry die eerste ronde, maar die tweede ronde het baie goed gegaan. Ek wil dankie sê vir die organiseerders, vir Adri, vir almal wat vandag betrokke was. Dit was regtig baie aangenaam.
En ons wil sê dankie vir julle, laat julle aanhou en nou is julle by die einde. Dit is 'n bietjie nat, maar ons kan droog word.
Ja, nee, is reg. Baie dankie vir julle. Waardeer.
Ons het geleer jy gee nooit op nie.
Never ever. Lekker manne, dankie dat jy met ons gepraat het. Sien julle volgende jaar.
Okay, dankie hoor.
Nee, jy kan nie wegry nie. Hoe was die tweede lap vir julle?
Papnat, ons het baie gegly en in die ronde getol, maar ons is reg.
Maar dis at least jou kop is droog. Alles vir 'n papnat.
Papnat.
Lekker, dankie. Cheers. Ja, slag, Stan, kyk haar gesig.
Ja nee, kyk ons het geslip en slide tot hier.
Ja, maar julle het dis nat, nee.
Ja nee, kyk alles is fucking nat.
En julle wil nie uitklim nie, wil jy in die reën staan nie, né?
Man, ek sal vir jou sê, miskien is dit droër daar buite as hier binne.
Hoe was dit vir jou, Stan?
Dit was baie slippery. Baie slippery. Die tweede lap wat ons gedoen het, was ons average speed seker omtrent 40. Elke draai wat jy vat, gly jy weet, en ons wil ook nie in die boere se lande beland nie.
Maar die ding is, Stan, julle het klaar gemaak. Julle is hier by die einde. Dis nou 'n helse ding.
Ja, especially vir my. Want hierdie kar het my bietjie besteek gelaat die laaste 3-4 reise.
En nou? Het hy lekker vir jou gesorg?
Ja nee, hy het vir my goed gedoen.
Stan, dankie vir alles. Dankie vir die entertainment. En ek sien daar's drade daar. Vertel my die storie van die drade wat so lekker los daar.
Nee, dit is net die GoPro. Dit ek afgehaal. Dis van my versuit. Die tripmeters het uitgekom. Maar dis dit.
Elke rally, elke race het 'n storie.
Dit is 'n storie, definitief.
Dankie vir alles, Stan. Andre. Andre.
Yes, Colin.
Check that face.
No, don't check the face.
How lekker was that?
It was tough. It was. I think the last 80 Ks was. It was hell.
Slip sliding away.
What is that? Is that what happened?
Slippery when wet.
Oh no, it was everywhere. It was all over the place. But we managed to bring it back, and hopefully we can get. Let me just push the brake over here.
Yeah, we don't want to land up in the, what's that, the foul rivier.
Oh well, I can't get any more wet than what I am now.
Oh, I can. Anna-Marie, yeah, it looks like you had fun.
It was fun. The first 180k, 160. The last 60, 40 was hell. We couldn't see. It's just mud. Couldn't see.
But just think of this. If it was easy, the Girl Guides would do it. And you oaks are rough and tough. You made it to the end. How fantastic is that?
Amazing. Champions.
How does that feel to know? Look, the officials have still got an official. But it looks like you won the championship. How cool is that?
Yeah, well, let's not hold the trophy until they're done officialing. Officialing.
Officialing?
Officialing.
One of those words, yes.
But I guess the party's going to start now.
Yeah, no, definitely. Tonight it's
I'm having a drink.
yeah.
Just one.
I'll have two. I'll have two.
Thank you. I just want to thank from a race day point of view, everything you've done for us to make it possible to being here. Both Andre, Anna-Marie, Moerse dankie. It's been absolutely spectacular for us. Well done.
I guess it's a Moerse plezier then.
Moerse plezier.
Oh, dankie vir alles. Cheers, man. And on that note, last car in. The last car of the 2025 Inland Off-Road Championship, Northern Region. It's been a magnificent season. We've had absolutely hot races, freezing cold, and today, wet, wet, wet. It's been a spectacular roller coaster of emotions, of competitors who've done well, they've broken, guys who've gone through hell and brought the car back to the end, ladies who've had dust all over them in places that dust shouldn't ever, ever, ever get to. It's been quite spectacular. We don't know the official results, but I got to say, the entertainer of the series is Loet du Preez in that Century CR6 of his with a V8. Check the powers, the mud, the everythings. This is what racing is all about. It looks like Loet wins a championship, which I think is well deserved. He came out strong, came out with a mission, had a full-on go, and now the rain has stopped. Just in time. Fritz, you can take the umbrella away. Let Henk get his... The sun is about to come out. Because in the end, everything will be right. And if it's not right, it's not the end. And we wait for next year, after the announcement of champions and prize giving tonight. And back in the background here, we've got the officials. What a season. What a spirit of race. The way the series is conducted, the way the series works, just with the spirit of everybody, let's be lekker, let's go racing, let's have fun, and let's work stuff out in a reasonable way. My thanks this year are to all the marshals. I'm wet, and I've been inside an umbrella and all the rest of it. They have sat out in the sticks. They've got cold, they've got wet, they've got hot in some of the races, like mega hot. And the marshals, the officials have done everything. It's just absolutely fantastic. But now we prepare. We prepare for next year. And next year it will be bigger, it will be better, it will be faster. Thank you all for joining us. To the competitors, officials, and my technical team, the filmers, and everyone, what a year it's been. Muchas gracias. Ciao.